Beautiful, gloomy December morning. Got the fire going in the barn, warming it up a little bit. Got the tent all set up, ready to do some grinding here in a little bit. But first we're on our way to get some food, and then we're gonna go check out a $1 million home. Okay, first, let me start off by saying, in no way, shape, or form can we afford $1 million, or what turned out in this case to be a multi-million-dollar home. We drive by this property all the time. It's only a few miles from the house. Always wondered what really goes on there. Seen it listed as an auction, thought maybe it was a foreclosure. So I said to the wife, hey, why don't we go check this out? Might be a cool video. To which she replied,
you want to do what?
you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
You could open a go-kart track there.
Ooh, go-kart track.
Ooh, it's chilly.
Who keeps their seat up this far?
Get in.
There we go. Normal people height. Bob Evans. Down on the farm.
I gotta get toe warmers on just to go out.
It's an open house.
I thought we were going outside.
We will go outside.
I'm not walking to horse riding ring.
Oh, no. You ready? Walk off breakfast now that our bellies are full?
No. Because I'll have to go to the bathroom soon, and I probably can't go to the bathroom there. We could buy it, get into the horse business. Can't be that bad.
Sure. So it was at this point that I knew I had piqued her interest. No, we still weren't looking to buy a home, but right opportunity arose. Maybe it's something we could look into. So the first thing we did is we went and checked out the house, talked to the realtor, talked to the auctioneer, did a walk through the house. Here's a little bit of what it looked like. So as we was doing the walkthrough of the house, we discovered that this total property is about 95 acres, divided into 3 pretty equal parts of 31 point something acres per plot. First plot, all tillable fields that the current owner rents out, so he has a little bit of income coming in from that field. The second plot had a 1,500 square foot barn with 9-10 stalls in it that they rent out, so that generates some income. And then it had some pastures, it had a little bit of a hay field, and then had the house on it. The third plot had the horse track, training pens, I believe they called it a Euro sizer for the horses, the horse barn with 32 stalls in it, and a giant pole barn. The horse barn generates quite a bit of monthly income, which is what really piqued the interest of my wife. So I was a little bit upset with myself because I'd seen this listed a month ago, and I didn't say anything about it, didn't think anything about it, and then just thinking it might be a cool video, said, hey, let's go. But after we went and seen it, we spent the next week feverishly trying to figure out a way to purchase the plot of land that had the barn on it, the third plot, with no idea what this was going to go for or what reserves were. By the way, we weren't able to secure the funds. Like I said, there's no way we could afford it. After talking to everybody, the realtors, what we thought the land was going to go for, no way we could afford it. But wanted to go to the auction just to see what everything went for, maybe pick up some equipment. Then came auction day.
A big tire.
What is it?
A big tire.
Big tire.
A big tire. Look. What?
Yep.
Look. A big tire.
Mm-hmm.
One tire. Oh, let's go. What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's doctor. Oh, doctor.
Yep. Come here. Yep.
And a big truck. And a big truck.
See the big truck. Look at this big truck.
Big truck.
Look at that big truck. Uh-huh. That thing's been reading hard. Big bucket.
Yeah, good. Come here, pretty. Come here. Oh, no way. What a day.
500, that would give 5, would give 5, would give 500,000, that'll be 31.93 acres here, would give 500,000, that'll be 5 here, would give 3. 200,000. Got 200,000, 250, got 200,000, that'll be 225 here, would get 225, 225, now 50, got 250, now 75, now 300,000, that'll be 300, got 300, now 50, now 400,000, got 400,000, that'll be 4, sir. I got 350 before, 375, that'll be 80, got 375, now 380 here, would give 80, now 5, got 85 here, would give 385 here, would give 85, got 380, that'll be 85, got 380, 385 here, would give 385, that'll be buying the house, 32.36 acres. Yeah, here we get $1 million out of it here. 600,000 then. That's 600,000, 600. Now 7, 6 here, now 7, now 7, now 700,000. It's 700 now. 8, 7 here, now 800,000, 800, now 9, at 800,000 now. I don't know if you priced houses, you put that house on an acre in town at 650 all day long. Need 825 on track 2. 825, 800, 825 here. We give 825,000 there here. 25 now 50, 25. I got 800,000 here. Need 825. Get 825 here to 25,000. 825, 820, sir. 800, 820. Get 800 out of it. 820 here. 10 now 20, sir. 820. Get 810 now 20. 810 here with 800. Right now 810,000. Same way. Same way, track number 2, 810,000. Now we're moving on to track number 3, guys. 100,000's all here. We give 800,000 here in part. 800,000 here. We give 5, then 500. Get 500 now. 550, 550. Now 600,000. Now 50. It's 600,000. It's 650, 650. It's 650 now 700,000. It's 700,000 here. Get 650. It's 650 now 790. Now 700,000. It's 690 here. Now 700,000, ma'am. It's 700,000. Now 25. 725. It's 700,000. Now 25 here. 25. We get 725. It's 700,000. 725. 700,000. Now 17. Here we get 710,000. So here now 10. 710. 710. Right now, market 700,000. You know.
Case backhoe.
On the backhoe here. All right, get 5,000, go. Get 5,000, but 5,000, no, but
10.
I like it. 10, 12, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, about 12 and a half, about 11,000, 11,000, but 11,000, no, but 11,000. I got 10,000, now 11,000, now 11,000, but 11,000, no, but 11,000, 12,000, but 12,000, now 12,250, 12,250, sir, 12,250, but 12,000. 12,250, 12,250, 12,005, 12,005, but 12,005, now 12,005.
We'll be straight with everybody. He does have a pretty good reserve on this. We're going to move on down. Sell your round pin.
Okay, got a big reserve on it, he said. 16, now 16, everybody 16,000, now they're 16, I got 15,000, now 16, now 16, 16 here, now 17, now 17, now 18,000, 18, everybody 18,000, now everybody 18, now 18, now 19, now 19,000, now 20, now 20,000, everybody 20,000. Now 20,000, everybody 20,000, now everybody 20,000, you both out, 20,000, 20,000, everybody 20,000, now everybody 20,000, I got 19,500, 19,750 one time. 19,750, 19,750, 19,750, everybody 19,750, 19,750, now 20,000, now 20,000, now 20,500.
So, here's how that auction went. They auctioned off plot 1, then they auctioned off plot 2, then they auctioned off plot 3. 1 and 2 sold, met reserve, 3 did not. At $700,000, it did not meet reserve for 2 barns and a racetrack and 30 acres. Then what followed was different variations. They said, here's where we're at with all the bids. As of right now, here's the price. Let's bid all 3 of them together. So one person had the chance to win everything, all 95 acres, fields, house, and barns all together. And that didn't sell. So then they did different variations. They said, let's just do 1 and 3 together. Let's do 1 and 2 together. Let's do 2 and 3 together to see how they could get the most money. And basically, if you've seen in the video, plot 1 and plot 2 both sold for around 1.2 million to the same people. The third plot did not sell. It did not meet reserve at $700,000. So we don't know what's going to happen with that yet. Keeping our eye on it, but still, we're not going to have any type of money to do that, even though it does generate quite a bit of income from that barn. Then they jumped into the equipment, and everything seemed to be going really, really high. I didn't even really film much of that because the prices were going so high, I knew I wasn't going to buy anything. I didn't need anything that bad. The only thing that I wish I probably could have got was that old yellow Ford tractor, because it only went for $1,000. I probably could have done something with that, but at that point I was done. I was over it. I was ready to go. We had the little ones with us. They were tired. They were hungry. It's time to go eat. So that's it. We walked away with nothing, which is kind of what we expected to do. But that's going to do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.